Welcome to KELIOIL Factory, the national high-tech enterprise specialized in R&D and production of oilfield cementing additives. The factory adopts a fully automated production line with human-machine interaction to ensure stable product quality. The factory offers customized R&D to precisely meet customer needs. Fluorose additive CG214, CG117, and FL116 can be compared with the best-selling products of internationally renowned companies. We offer the customized packaging service. The packaging is clear and attractive, meeting customer diverse needs and facilitating transportation. Regular products are always in stock. Delivery of ordered product is prompt. There's 24/7 online service. Feel free to contact us if you have any question.